Hi, this is Ram Gopal Verma and congratulations to iDream for reaching 1 million subscribers.
కూచిపూడి ఆ తర్వాత పర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ ఇంకా ఇస్తూనే ఉన్నారా లేకపోతే మధ్యలో ఏమన్నా బ్రేక్స్ ఇచ్చారా ఏమన్నా లేదు?
No break, kept performing with Kishore Maslikanti Garu's troupe. I would keep going to Chennai, performing as part of his troupe, doing a lot of solos.
So international platforms lo kuda perform chesevara?
Yes, chala. So I've performed in South Africa twice for 2 months. I mean, one month each time. So many cities within South Africa I've performed. I've performed in Paris. I've performed in Malaysia. I've performed, I think, all over the US as part of Gopika Krishna. So, and lot of places in India: Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Kerala. I've been to Khajuraho. I've performed. So performances have taken me everywhere.
అయితే ఒక విషయం చెప్పండి సంధ్య.
Yeah.
జనరల్గా ఒక పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం అంటే 2000s ఆ టైం వచ్చేసరికి 2000 అంటే మీ మ్యారేజ్ 2007లో అయింది. అప్పటికే బాగా ఈ క్లాసికల్ డాన్స్ అన్న కల్చర్ తగ్గిపోతుంది, దాని రేంజ్ పడిపోతూ ఉంది. ఎవ్రీబడి వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా వెస్టర్న్ మీద ఎక్కువ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, వేరే అదర్ హిప్ హాప్, ఆ డాన్స్ ఈ డాన్స్ రకరకాల నాట్యాలు వచ్చేసాయి, వాటి మీద ఫోకస్ పెరిగింది. మీరు ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలేదా అంటే ఇంకా ఇది కాదు, ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ వేరే డాన్స్ ఫామ్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి, కూచిపూడి ఈజ్ నో లాంగర్ దేర్, అట్లా అలాంటిది ఎప్పుడన్నా డిడ్ ఇట్ సింక్ ఇన్?
And one thing that definitely struck me as I kept growing up and as I kept traveling. Earlier, yes, I would travel with my father and mother and things like that. But now when I started traveling with my husband, I started going for performances. By whether it's a ballet, whether it's, contemporary dances. So what I realized was to communicate the same message, there are so many different ways. Let us say, ippudu mana abhinayala to communicate sadness or to communicate a story, we do it in a certain format. So what happened was, when I started traveling and seeing all this, was I started seeing there's so many different ways to express yourself in art. So I never thought that we need to abandon this and take up something else. But I always felt greedy. I need to learn from those to bring it. So I already say I feel like I'm already married to Kuchipudi. Like that's mine. You can't separate Kuchipudi.
So kotta art forms ni kuda indulo incorporate chesi konచెం blend chese oka
not in changing the movements.
Not in changing the movements.
Not in changing the movements, but in changing the presentation. How you present yourself. How do you connect to audiences nowadays? And also social media has taught me a lot, in the sense how you absorb information or how you absorb entertainment has been changing phenomenally in over my lifetime. At one point, if we wanted to be entertained, we were forced to watch it on TV, and we're forced to wait for that particular time to come, and only at that time you get to watch certain things. You have to buy certain magazines, and if they write about the things that you want, you get to see it. Nowadays information is
all there.
It's all there in a very different way. Not only is it on the net where you have to search for it, when you take things like Instagram or Snapchat or whatever, you can decide, I want daily information on this, or I want to follow this person and see what they're doing. I want to learn how to cook from this thing. So it became a very multi-dimensional thing where you can sit in your own bed, just your mind, you can get the best information into your thing. And the way that information is delivered is changing. If you see YouTube, your videos are probably 5 minutes long, or there's certain characteristics which makes a YouTube video popular. The same thing can't be said about Facebook. The way information is sent and absorbed or made popular on Facebook is very different. What kind of information or entertainment that you put up on Instagram is very different. So every platform, the same content has to be portrayed in a very different way. So that is also making me rethink myself about my dance.
Okay.
You know, like for me, does it mean to dance, to go to Ravindra Bharati and dance in front of those 500 people? Okay, next year again I have to rent out Ravindra Bharati. I'll probably call the same 500 people, or maybe 200 of the same, 200 new. When I go here, probably I'll perform to another 500 people. But is that what I want? Can I perform once on YouTube and reach to 5 lakh people?
Yes.
Can I perform on a beach but still reach out to somebody in Russia? Can I change the way Kuchipudi is being absorbed by people? Can I use all this to my advantage? See, I've already worked hard, I already have a knowledge of something, but how do I deliver it to people, you know? So I feel that has to change.